Greenville, welcome back to Breaking Bread. I'm Brianna and I'm going to teach you today how to make French toast in a cup, and that will only take you 2 minutes in your dorm. The ingredients that you need is butter, syrup, vanilla, cinnamon, bread, and just 1 egg. So first you're gonna make sure that you crack your egg into your bowl, which we already have here. Next you're gonna take a teaspoonful of vanilla and you're gonna pour this into your cup. Next, you're gonna take 1 teaspoonful of syrup and pour that also into your cup. Last, you're gonna take your cinnamon and just make sure you do just 1, 2, 3 dabs of cinnamon. Lastly, you're gonna make sure that you take your butter and make sure that you butter both slices of bread. After buttering both slices of bread, make sure that you cut it into several slices. Now while our bread is already cut, we're gonna make sure that we beat our eggs and all the ingredients together. Once everything is beat together, you're gonna make sure you pour all your ingredients into the cup. Take your bread and just pack it all in there so that it'll just soak. And now you're gonna put it into the microwave just for 2 minutes. Now it is time to see our finished results. You're gonna take a little bit more syrup and put it right on the top. And boom, there you have it, your French toast. I'm Briana Mann, and that's all we have today for Breaking Bread. Make sure you check out our Vision Media on Instagram and Facebook for more short recipes.